Several people do ask me, Maverick, what does the Amex DSNB on Credit like? What does it mean and why it appears? Okay, so the thing is that when you see Amex DSNB on your credit report, it refers to an American Express credit card issued by Department Stores National Bank. Okay, so that is Department Stores National Bank (DSNB). Right. So this usually shows up if you have applied, or maybe you've recently applied for a credit card with a department store, okay, which is partnered with American Express, okay, like Macy's or Bloomingdale's DSNB, okay. So it's affiliated with Citibank, all right, and is the issuer of Macy's and Bloomingdale's credit cards, all right. So I'm gonna be going ahead to possibly give you this guide, okay, as a video for you to better understand why Amex DSNB appears on your credit report, all right, and some of the things that you need to know, all right. So in case you're new to this channel, you might want to hit the red subscribe button because I talk about credit card charges, credit card report, and several other things regarding finance and credit cards. So smash the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new, credit card videos. Now let's talk about why this shows up on your credit report. Now the first one is the credit inquiry due to card application. So in case you have applied for a Macy's or Bloomingdale's credit card, then seeing Amex DSNB likely indicates a credit inquiry as part of the application process. Okay, so this inquiry could be a hard or soft pull, depending on whether it was a pre-approval check, soft, or a full application hard. Okay, which means soft or hard pull. So a hard pull can affect your credit score slightly, which while a soft pull does not impact your score, right? And another thing is the new account information. This can be a reason why it's showing up. So if your credit card application is approved, then the Amex DSNB may appear under new accounts on your credit report. Okay, so this is standard practice for any new credit account. All right. And also it allows credit bureaus to track your payment history and usage. Okay, so which affects your credit score over time. All right. So that is another reason for you to know. Another one can be potential sign of identity theft. So if you haven't applied for a Macy's or Bloomingdale's credit card, then the Amex DSNB entry might signal fraudulent activity. So that is what you need to know. So identity thieves sometimes they use stolen information to open accounts. A lot of people are facing, credit card charges, unauthorized credit card charges that they do not know about. So there are a lot of identity thieves out there. So it is a very wise decision to verify that, if this was an authorized inquiry or account. All right. So that is why they have this, DSNB, known as Department Stores National Bank. All right. And that is why it's showing. So these are the three reasons why I know that this can show on your credit report or account. All right. So let's talk about some things that you can do. All right. Maybe possibly when you see this type of, indication. All right. Because several people have asked me, Maverick, what exactly can I do in case I see, okay, because okay, now you've been able to know exactly why it is showing up, due to some credit inquiry, due to a card application, all right, or maybe new account information or potential signs of identity theft. So now what exactly can you now do, all right, in case you see something like this? But before we continue, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials right there on this channel. Some of the things that you can do is that you can verify any recent applications. Okay, so I need you to think back to recent credit card applications, especially for department store cards. All right, so maybe you've recognized the application, then this entry is likely legitimate. Okay, but if it is unfamiliar, then you need to follow up with DSNB or the department store credit card customer support for clarification. And in case you need that, you can go to Amex website, reach out to their customer support, the department stores credit card customer support. Then possibly you'll be able to get more information and get it solved. Okay, so I need you to go back, think about recent credit card applications, uh, especially for departmental store card. And if you recognize it, then it's likely legitimate. All right. And the second thing you can do is to review all your credit report details regularly. Okay, because checking your credit reports, it's kind of help you, okay, routinely to spot unusual entries very early. Okay, so you can request a free report from each of the three main credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Okay, So you can do this once a year through annualcreditreport.com. Just go to www.annualcreditreport.com, right? So you can do this there. Go there and make sure that you always review. Okay, a lot of people are always just too complacent. They just relax. Oh, nothing is gonna happen. I'm okay, I'm all good. Now, okay, you know how good, okay. So make sure you always review. Okay, review your credit report details regularly because this will help you to safeguard yourself from any kind of stuff that you don't even know is happening in your account, right? So it's help you to spot unusual entries early. Okay, so you can always do this once a year, just like I said, from Experian, Equifax, and or TransUnion. Okay, and you can also dispute unauthorized entries. Okay, so maybe you confirm that the Amex DSNB entry is unauthorized. Please contact the credit bureau to file a dispute. Okay, go ahead, contact them. They can file a dispute on your behalf. Okay, so you only need to provide documentations that you have to back up your claim. All right, so you need to hold documentation or send them some documentations to back up your claim, and this will also help in removing the entry from your report. Okay, so that is what you need to know. So please don't just sit down or sit back and relax. Go ahead and if you know that this is unauthorized, that the Amex DSNB entry is unauthorized, please contact your credit card bureaus to file a dispute on your behalf. Right. So those are the three things that you can do that I have to say in this video. Now, to crown this up, I just think seeing Amex DSNB on your credit report can seems confusing, okay, but it's usually linked to a legitimate store card application. Okay, so that's what you need to know. However, if you haven't applied for any department store credit recently, then it is worth investigating further to ensure your credit card remains secure. Okay, so if you've not done this, please reach out so that your credit can be secure. Thank you very much. I believe this video has been helpful, and possibly a lot of people from time to time they do have more information than me. Okay, sometimes you check my comment section, you see some people just tell me, okay, this is what they can do or hold that. So if you're the kind of person, you can also comment your thoughts in the comment box below. All right, possibly we are all here to help one another. I only created this channel just to help people solve their credit card problems. I'm not a full expert. So whatever I do is just for me to share my honest thoughts right there on the internet for other people also to possibly learn from me. So if you're the kind of person also that you are good than me in all these things, please always share your thoughts. It's help other people. That is why we have the internet, so that we can get solution to our problems as easy and fast as possible. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you like this video by clicking on the thumbs up button, so that YouTube can possibly recommend this video to more people out there, and they can watch and also possibly they gain from this video. And don't forget to smash the red subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, help the channel to grow so that we can keep creating more credit card tutorials for you guys. And you can also get notified whenever I share my thoughts right there on this channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. And till another time, I wish you the best of luck and stay safe, and make sure that you always keep your credit card details off the internet on any unsecure website. Thank you, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.